Creating a custom root actor is useful when you need to place other elements along the root. This can be meshes, lights, or to set a specific root path that you want to repeat along your game. The fastest and easiest way is by creating a new blueprint class that extends from the component-based root actor. Once created, give your new blueprint a name and open it. Now, you can add new elements to your root. The rest is already working out of the box. You can also customize the events to enter the root. For this example, we will add a fire effect when we start crawling. For this, just add the event called onBeginOverlap and place an effects emitter.